evolved around rivers and many civilizations started around it. The Mohenjo-daro and Harappan civilization thrived on the Indo-Gangetic plains. The Mesopotamian civilization was dependent on the Euphrates and Tigris, while the Mayan civilization was centered around the Mississippi. These rivers were all pristine in their purity. They were all perennial, and they sustained life. Man-made disasters alone had forced people to migrate from the riversides to other places. The increased consumerism, the greed, the gluttony, the unregulated mass production systems, unscientific modes of development, and blind capitalism have ruined us. We have polluted our rivers, air, and depleted our natural resources. Encroachments, both legal and illegal, have constricted the rivers, forming bottlenecks. Industries along the route wantonly empty their toxic effluents into the rivers. Metropolitan cities that have been built along river banks unscrupulously spew the sewage of millions into the water. As a result, water bodies in India have become highly polluted. Most of our groundwater is polluted by untreated industrial effluents, pesticides and chemical fertilizers, not to speak of microplastics and heavy metals. The water salinity has changed. The pH values have altered, making the water highly undrinkable. Kuttanad in Kerala, one of the largest rice cultivation areas in India, has seen a wide level of devastation due to the artificial fertilizers in the past few decades, leading to the extinction of several native seeds and traditional agricultural practices. The recent water crisis in Chennai has placed us on the world map with other places like Africa, where there is a severe crisis in clean drinking water. River Ganga is polluted with tannery effluents from Kanpur and sewage from the various cities along its 2,500 km route. The Yamuna, which flows through the national capital, is an eyesore. Kashmir's famous Dal Lake is completely contaminated by sewage runout from the city of Srinagar, as well as from the thousands of houseboats that ply. The Belandur Lake in Bangalore was the focus of global media attention, as one part of it went up in flames while another part spewed foam. The Noyal River flows in different colors depending on the dye of the day released from the textile units of Tirupur and Erode. The usage of organic fertilizers and soil conditioners, encouraging natural methods of cultivation and traditional cultivation practices with organic pest control methods and purifying water with organic reagents, and encouraging its reuse to minimize the pressure on the fast depleting freshwater resources are the only way to gradually reverse the damages caused by our